大家好，我是阿勇，
大家好，我米芳华啦。
欢迎收看英台 Express。
Your one-stop shop for Taiwanese and English language exchange.
逐礼拜我会拣一条英语的新闻，互阿华翻译。
And I will pick a Taiwanese news article for Ayong to translate into English. 咱这礼拜真丰富哦，毋是2条，毋是3条，有4条新闻哦。
哎呀，对对啦，
好，来，同齐来听看卖吼。防疫考虑，大家镇南宫、彰化南瑶宫，佮有西丽福兴宫，拢宣布讲今年无要互人抢头香。
Due to the pandemic, the Dinlan Temple in Daiga, the Lamyao Temple in Zhonghua, and the Hokkien Temple in Sailei have all announced that they will not be holding the New Year's incense ceremony this year.
过来第2条，高雄凯旋插仔市一担卖猪开，
A ham hock vendor at the Kaiswan Flea Market in Takao
互人去翕到因甲人食过的凊汤，佮倒转去鼎底。
was caught on video putting the leftovers of a half-eaten bowl of soup back in the pot,
佮滚，
reheating it,
佮卖，
and serving it to another customer. Oh, 就太哥的啦。
哦。佮来第3条，白沙屯马博有杯啊，决定明年3月初1要去北港挂香。
The Beiswatun Mazo Boy divination results are in, and after the new year on March 1st, the Mazo incense pilgrimage will be heading to Bakang.
花莲急行军36点钟就要拼转去到通宵，
And then a rushed foot march 36 hours later back to Tongxiao.
顶摆急行军转来 SARS 就煞，毋知即回敢会共款。
Last time, the pilgrimage had such a rushed schedule coincided with the end of SARS. One has to wonder if we might get lucky again.
再来第4条，发热衣无耐洗，
Thermal underwear is not very durable when it comes to washing.
毋管原理是红外线，也是水汽凝结。
It doesn't matter whether the clothing uses infrared or moisture wicking.
专家建议各种发热衣拢共款，若要洗吼，
Professionals recommend that if you wash any kind of thermal underwear,
莫烘搭，
don't use a dryer,
莫大力灼，
don't scrub too hard,
烧水莫用，
don't use hot water,
油软精嘛毋通。
and don't use fabric softener.
较袂2-3摆啊，就甲发热效果洗无去。
Otherwise, after just 2 or 3 washes, any kind of thermal protection will be washed off.
哦，毋知大家感觉咱即款形式安怎啦？就是讲一礼拜3-4条新闻，啊，拢短短啊一两句话，互你大概知影发生什么代志。
我嘛感觉袂歹啊，看恁观众朋友感觉安那吼。
嘿啊，看恁感觉啥款，留话甲阮讲啦吼。啊，拄则迄个发热衣，主播伊嘛有另外发明一个词，讲叫做烧热衫。
哦，烧热衫安尼吼。
亲像迄个暖包，嘛有人讲烧热包。
我拄则讲迄个 thermal underwear 对无？啊，惊讲阮的观众朋友可能听起来 underwear， 那就是
会烧的内裤。
烧的内裤吼。啊，即个 underwear 其实足古怪，即个英语的词啦吼，因为若是讲美国的英语吼，阮的 underwear 有2种 underwear， 一种是内裤啦，
嘿，
啊，另外一种就是穿伫内底的衫，
哦，
安尼。
亲像我即马较长即领，我就穿伫内底。
嘿，对，啊，较长的这就是 underwear 吼。啊，毋过阮袂讲这是 阮袂直接讲迄是 underwear， 阮讲这是undershirt， 还是 undergarment 安啦，但是其实嘛是 underwear 的款啦。对，啊若迄个内裤吼，那是英国的英语，因来讲 underwear 是 pants，
啊，毋过即个 pants 伫美国的意思是，
pants 就是裤啦，嘿啊，就是衫裤啦。
啊，英国人讲的裤又搁号做，
因的裤是 trousers， 对，所以 underwear pants 甲 trousers 定定嘿难嘛分着去啊。
对，较早高中咧读英语的时阵，这就舞甲一粒头2粒大安尼。
嘿，对，啊，过来等去看一条美国的新闻啦，好无？ An unlucky start to a North Carolina man's day turned upside down.
美国北卡罗来纳州一个查甫人，即天是头有够衰，尾趁家伙。
When he discovered he had won a $2 million lottery prize just hours after hitting 2 deer with his car.
一打牵新车就弄着2只鹿仔，无几点钟，阁发觉伊彩票中着美金200万。
The accident ruined his day, so he went back home, got into bed, and went to sleep.
一个出代志，去某一规个拍歹去，伊想讲我转厝内困较贵去。
He said, Then I woke up and checked my tickets.
我困起来，彩票就甲摕来对。
I saw the 4, and then the next number, and then the next number, and then the next number.
对着一字4，搁着一字，搁着一字，搁着一字。
I'm like, wow, it was just crazy.
我就腰线咯，安尼。
所以，弄到2只鹿仔，搁着200万，安尼袂歹啊，
一只100万。
你讲什么家伙？家伙毋是这个家伙什么伙啊？毋是 family 的意思啊。
对，我较早听人讲，因迄家伙就是 that family。
对。
毋过伫遮即个家伙的意思是，恁即家的财产家产。
一家财产嘛是家伙安尼。
亲像咱过年讲一寡好话嘛，定定听人讲，祝大家明年趁祝大家年年趁家伙。
年年趁家伙。了解。
就是趁大钱的意思啦。
佫有一个上尾一句你讲。夭寿，迄毋是夭寿，它是夭寿。
就亲像咱看一寡美国电影，听人咪讲 darn，你嘛想讲即个 darn 到底是啥意思？其实意思想要讲
damn，但是 damn 较歹听啦。
对，你若直接讲夭寿，嘛有人感觉安尼较歹听，就小转一个音，甲伊变做夭寿。
夭寿，
讲意思就是亲像英语的 damn 变做 darn。
了解。好，你若感觉阳台 Express 对你有帮助
，Don't forget to subscribe, like and share。若是有任何你想要看到阮两个互相翻译的新闻
，Feel free to drop us a line down there in the comments.
See you next time。
再会。